everyone, welcome back to James' marketing channel. Clip today, I'm going to show everyone a software tool help us manage unlimited Instagram accounts. This is the main interface of the software. And as you can see, I have about a total more than 100 Instagram accounts. And I can use these accounts. It's completely automated tasks on the platform in large number. Today I'm going to talk about that software. First, we have the account manager. All of these accounts are full information such as username, password, 2F a cookie code. Let's log in. So we're going to put this information in automatically and we just need to log in. The software will automatically save it for us. These accounts. Each of these lines is a normal account. Next is the content management section. The content here, these are the messages that we're texting, or let's interact. And we entered in first and have a picture as well. The third part, we have that automated messaging part. Manage this message. You can send it back a second time by replying, or we can just go text automatically according to the files. Username, automatic messaging for followers, or following. And we can actually text. That's as many as all these accounts. Every account here, you can see it. Each account messages 2 to 5 people. If you have 100 accounts, you can have them message 500 people. This is the fourth part of the account interaction. This part helps us warm up our accounts as a real person, as someone who is using it. There are scripts that we can set up, for example. Surf this new feed. Interact with these followers. How to take actions. We set up how to make accounts like a real person using it. And help our accounts increase their trusted. The fifth part, we have the viral part, marketing main part. We have post article, post short videos. When I choose these short video postings, we can even completely self-publish on all these accounts. Go seeding and comment or follow. Go share that article. Next, we have an update. Here we have the basic information update. Basic information, for example, avatar cover photo, bio, sex, and so on that name. We've updated all these accounts. It will change for us and update the advanced information. For example, change your password. We finally have the data scan. We can scan the data on the platform. Instagram is very easy and in large numbers always. Scan these keywords. Scan the posts interactive by this post. That scans the post comments. Scan the following. When we're done scanning this, we're going into the viral part to go interact with our client file. Bye everyone and see you soon.